2018 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, compass, trip computer, security system, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.